Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca again, and there's another question from our YouTube subscriber, and her name is Shiva Bazuki. If you are new here, please press the subscribe button so you will not miss any tutorials again. So let's go now and check this question from her. Okay, she said, "Hello there. Hello there. Hello there. Thanks for the video. Would you also clarify how you do the sky of this one? I am very new to Dialux Evo and I cannot make it visible. I mean the time sky. Thank you in advance." Okay, so Shiva, this is easy. So I open this project. This one is the project that he's asking. So Shiva, this is my project, and I'm going to show you how to open the sky that you want to see. So it's easy. You just need to open this one. This is what we call the display options. This is in the upper right most of your screen right now. So press that one and click the show sky texture. Okay, you cannot see the sky right now because I already rendered it and it's a nighttime. So if you want to open that one, go and the report is not valid, then you can see now the sky. So this is how it looks. And then if you open this tab, ta-da! Now you can see the lovely sky. Yep, that's how it is. So easy. All you need to do is open it, close it, open it, close it, and you will have your amazing sky. Alright, so that's it. That's how easy it is. And there's another question, and I would like to also attend to that. And this is from Christian Carl Randverson. And she asked me, can you publish the small hill terrain download link? Okay, so from this video, or from this project, I got a lovely terrain. It's really huge. Look at this one. Yes. And I got this one from 3D Warehouse SketchUp. So what I'm going to do is go and log on to www.3dwarehouse.sketchup.com, and this is what you will get. And then you just go and type terrain on the search tab, and then from there you will find those terrain, and I think this is the one that I just selected. And then you just need to press the download button, and then you may select 2017 or 2018 version. Right now 3D Warehouse doesn't have 2017 below version because I have 16 before. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Okay, so see you again next video. Bye.